Okay, so I'll be quick. I have started making this Excel project for my brother Pass, and this is to just to record the expenditures. So here it is. Let's suppose you just got 75,000. So here you will mention, you'll see you have balance 75,000. You can give the date. It says 1,000 amount. You will write the amount, but you will have to mention if these were added or subtracted. So just like 0 and 1, 1 is for add and 0 is for subtract. Let's say they were subtracted. So you see that you've got 74,000 here. Let's say there were 2,000 of amount that was added. Okay, this can work like this. See, a 5,000 amount was deducted, and here let's say it was 400 of amount added. Let's say a 200 of amount was deducted. So you can see there is actually nothing wrong with the calculation. 74,000 after 75,000, then 2,000 were added, 76,000, then 200 was deducted, 75,800, 400 were added, 76,200, 200, and this will go like that. All in all, you can even give the dates. Thank you.